Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the TV has a working internet connection and that you're signed into the correct account. First, power cycle both the TV and router. Turn off, wait 30 seconds, then power on. Once done, open the YouTube app and look for an available update or a prompt to sign in. If the app reports an error, note the exact message so you can target the next steps. This avoids guessing and speeds troubleshooting. You now dive into configuration. Clear the YouTube app cache or, if possible, uninstall and reinstall the app to remove corrupt data. Make sure the TV's date and time are correct. Services reject connections if time is far off. Next, test YouTube on a phone or tablet using the same Wi-Fi to see whether the problem is the TV or the network. If the phone works, focus on TV settings. If not, move to router. Finish by changing your router's DNS to Google DNS 8.8.8.8.8.4.4 or the recommended ISP DNS and then reboot devices. Check for and install any TV firmware updates. Only perform a factory reset if nothing else resolves the issue because it erases settings. As a key troubleshooting tip, try connecting the TV to a mobile hotspot. If YouTube works on the hotspot, you've isolated the problem to your home network or ISP rather than the TV or app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.